Yo guys, I've been blogging for about 2 years now with my phone and I thought it's high time for a little upgrade. Got my January salary, my Christmas bonus, so we got the budget and I bought myself a GoPro Hero 13 and we're gonna unbox it today. So let's see. Bought the black edition, so it should come with some bonuses. It's got a little paper wrapping on there. The GoPro logo in the middle. Don't care about tape, I'm just gonna rip it up. I'll rip it there. Alright, there we go, I'll clean it up later. Here we go, the GoPro Hero 13 Black. Bought this for about 500 euros with had a gift card as well. You might be asking, what is the Black edition? It comes with 2 Enduro batteries, a 64 gig memory card, as well as a case. There, thing on the bottom here. This flips open. Pull out our case. Got a sturdy case here, it seems, black, just with the GoPro logo, and a zipper all the way around. It comes with, this is how it's packaged. So here you got some booklets on the top here. I'll check that out later. We've got our SanDisk 64 gig memory card. It's going to be useful to have in the camera. Don't have to buy that separately. Subscribe to get the most out of your GoPro. You got some stickers. Stick those on something. Pro tips for best cold weather performance. Not really applicable in the Netherlands, and I'm not a big winter sport guy, but maybe useful for the future. General disclaimer. And some more packaging. Okay, now I think it's time to get to the main part of the video. As you can see here, securely in the middle of the package, our little compact, brand new GoPro Hero 13. Again, camera must be updated before it can be used, so that's very clear on that. Everything is taped up, the lenses, the front and the back, so let's see if we can peel that off. Satisfying peel. Screen here as well. There we go. See the blue GoPro logo up here. There it is, one around. And then we have one more peel on the back. There we go, very clean. So this is it, very compact. It's smaller than I had initially expected, smaller than I had in my mind. It's very nice, fits in my hand nicely. Got a big lens on there and a sizable screen on the front and on the back, so that's really great for vlogging. Feels heavy, feels like quality. Don't know if there's a battery already in here, or if it becomes even heavier if I put that in, but I'll have to look at the instructions for that. What else is in the case? Here we have a little snap-on handle, I think, so it can be equipped with various accessories. What are these? GoPro. I think these are batteries as well. not, yeah, lithium ion. These are batteries, so get 2 of these. Let's see what else is in there. Another holder. I think this is tape, so I'm not gonna take that off quite yet because I don't have anything to stick that on. On the other side, we have another one. I think these can probably be paired with this thing. And then finally we have our foam handle. Okay, this one's feels pretty lightweight, grippy foam on the handle, orange so it's clearly visible. And this is gonna be our handle for vlogging. It's lightweight. It's got the strap on there so you don't drop it when doing something active. I like that. Those are the little additions with the battery pack. I like that it comes with the memory card and with the extra battery, so you don't have to worry about those. That's very nice. I am thinking about what other accessories to buy, so if you have any recommendations for GoPro accessories, please let me know in the comments. I'm thinking about, because I want to use these for more of my vlog adventures and for running, working out, making videos of that. I'm thinking about a chest mount, but I'm not sure about that yet. And yeah, something I definitely want something like a tripod as well, because I don't think this is gonna. I don't feel really secure putting a GoPro on here and using that as a tripod. Because the gimbal I'm using for my phone right now is dying. I think the battery is about dead and it's not charging properly, so it might have to go in the trash, unfortunately. So yeah, let me know what you think about these accessories. I think I'm gonna get then a tripod, maybe a jet strap. Let me know what you guys think about jet straps. Maybe something for my bike or my car as well. So those are the things I'm still thinking about upgrading, but didn't want to go full commit right away. Just starting with this and see what I need, and we can go from there. Screw of some kind. Is there a screw in here? Yes, is there? Well, there is another compartment in the case here. We have this screw thing and a USB-C to USB-C cable. There we go. See, there we go. Figured it out. Took a little bit of feel. Had to lift up this rubber thing to get it to snap on. And now we can do our filming like this. Now there were multiple warnings on the thing, on the camera and the packaging to say it must be updated before we can use it. So I'm gonna go figure that out real quick in the GoPro Quick app, and then I'm gonna go outside and see how the video quality is. So I'll be back in a second. Here we are in the woods, having a walk, testing out the new camera. Here we are. It's quite chilly, February. It's almost freezing, but not quite. So let's see how the quality is. How's the sound? How is the lighting? I should be filming in about 4K right now, so that should definitely be an upgrade over my normal phone quality. Better lens as well, dedicated to filming. So I am looking forward to seeing the results. Of course, I'm looking at the little screen in the front right now. I can see myself. If I turn around, I have a bigger screen. So it's very convenient for vlogging. You can just switch directions very easily. That's something I really like. Definitely, because that's a problem filming with a phone camera. The front camera, the front facing camera, is a bit lower quality. So if you're vlogging, and using that one, you can't film 4K, at least on my phone. So the grip feels nice in my hand as well. Oh, this is slippery. This is quite muddy. Maybe should have chosen a different route. Just pan around, see how that looks. Filled right into the sun. Here you go. Let's get some shots of me moving, shots of me panning, because that's something I was also felt was lacking on my phone. So hopefully this is an improvement. This is better lighting from this side, the sun coming in. But yeah, I think this should be a nice improvement to my videos in the future. Thinking about it a little more, I definitely want a tripod for putting it down on something and filming things with it that way, like unboxing videos, drinking videos, stuff like that. Oh, the screen just turned black. Is that something wrong? Oh, I pressed the button, press the screen and it turns back on. There we go. But yeah, it's gonna take some getting used to, as always with new equipment. But I think this will be a good investment into my hobby, into the YouTube channel, and we're gonna have some fun with it. Planning some workout videos soon, some more running videos, and we'll see if this can be a nice addition to that. Now I'm gonna continue my chill little walk in the woods, and then I'm gonna head home, edit the footage, see how it looks on the big screen. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this quick little GoPro unboxing video, test out video, and I hope you're looking forward to more high quality videos in the future. Long man out. See you boys later. It's gonna be a good year. Peace.